The achiote. That's the one that's going to give us that red color. Natural way, you already saw it. Any pan will do. And I'm going to add some oil, whatever oil you like. Box.
It's right there.
Okay. And then you just put it in there. Again, I don't measure anything, so we'll see how it will come out. But again, it's
Okay. Are you using those red?
all right. So I have what I'm going to do. Okay, we don't eat the seed. Alrighty. Again, I use my caldero that I already washed. Luisito onions and the garlic and the recaito. And also one. Again, about 2 to 3 teaspoons. So in your recipe say oil, so that's what it is. And then I'm going to add probably 1 or 2 teaspoons of the sofrito. Okay, we put more. Again, the sofrito I will add for stews, beans. Okay, I'm going to go higher in here. Then I'm going to add my gandules. The gandules, I took the water out. And can I pass this along so you can see the gandules? I'm going to put 2 cans because I'm going to put a lot of gandules in there. One can go, you know, this can be done in 10 minutes. Yeah. If you have everything, I just throw everything in there. And I will. Again, I did it for this purpose. Yeah. Yes. But back on the authentic, right? Correct, because of the authenticity of it.
Right. Okay.
But at home, again, I put a lot of gandules. It's all about tasting, but because of the purpose of this. Okay. I want all that to simmer, to get into it. Get that wonderful taste. You can see I haven't used any salt yet. For a bunch of you, I'm going to make probably half for this bag because rice goes a long way. Let's do about 4. And then, let me show you in a minute how this is coming along.
So do you do warm water or do you do room temperature water?
Room temperature water. And I'm going to add the water on the other side because I'm in the water now. And let me go to put it here. Get some more water.
So this was 4 cups rice?
So this is for 2 of rice, 4 of water. And that's the sazon. And I leave it to give it a salt to it. Este es sazón con cilantro y achiote. You can leave it anywhere. See, it's always coming along. So usually I already can tell this is ready to go slow very, very soon. You see the water and the rice is increasing in size. Y le ponemos this is the water. I will wait until it's a little bit more drier before I can lower to low and cover it.
The rice one is rice. In Puerto Rico, you will use the leaves from the plantain to cover it, and it just gives a little flavor to the rice as it cooks. And you have to wait until it dries, and then and then the right now is in 4, which is a low medium kind of thing.